public defender?
I just intend to go pro se. If that would be all possible, sir.
It's a really bad idea, Mr. Downs, but you know what? The Supreme Court says I have to let you do that if you want to do that.
Okay.
I mean, I think it's a really bad idea.
I'm just basically trying to push for to get house arrest or work release.
Yeah.
That's
and you don't know what to ask for to get that. And you think that you're going to go today and you're going to get it, and you're not, because I don't have anything to do that. Nothing. That's why I'm asking you, do you want an attorney? Or if you want to represent yourself, I got to let you do that. You just tell me what you want to do, Mr.
I'll just represent myself.
Okay. Have you got any specialized training in the law?
I do not.
Do you know Indiana law, Indiana trial procedure, or the Indiana rules of evidence?
Yes, I do.
You do?
I mean, I know what I've learned.
Well, just out of fun, what's evidentiary rule 403?
I'm not exactly positive on that, sir, to be honest. I'm not an attorney, but I just know I'm trying to get this taken care of as fast as I can so I can get back off my daughter and get taken care of her. Okay. I'm going to let you represent yourself. Are you telling me you're waiving your right to counsel? Yes, sir.
Mr. Downs, you have certain rights in a probation violation. I just read those to you. Did you hear them?
Yes, I did.
Are you telling me that you understand your constitutional rights, you're waiving those rights, and you're admitting that you violated probation without a trial in open court?
Yes.
Let's turn to the factual basis for the admission. So here's the first allegation against you. It says that you were ordered to report to probation on January 18, 2024, and that you failed to keep that appointment. Is that correct?
That's true.
Then again, on February 1, you were scheduled to appear at Elkhart County Probation, and you failed to appear for that scheduled appointment. Is that correct?
Yeah, I actually had no knowledge of that court appearance that I was supposed to go to. I had moved out of my dad's house. Me and him had an argument or whatever. I had moved out. He had never told me that I had that court appearance to go to, or I definitely would have showed up. I'm sorry about that, court. The courts. Your Honor.
Well, and they texted a message to you at your last known telephone number, and also sent you an appointment letter to your last known address. Are you telling me you didn't get those?
I never did.
You knew you were on probation, though, correct?
Yeah, I was pretty sure. What I was seeing is that I had 200 days of probation. I thought I had 200 days of probation left because of all the time that I had sat. So I had sat 86 days in jail actually on this matter. Okay, so I figured I probably had 200 days left probation left somewhere there, and then I seen where they was trying to give me the whole 365 days of probation. So I was trying to get this maybe seen back in front of you in court where we can maybe get it taken care of, where I can get some of the credit for the actual time that I spent. Because I spent 86 days in this case already.
See, here we go. This is exactly why you need an attorney. This is exactly why you need an attorney. Congratulations.
I'm sorry, Mr. Dugan.
Amazing, Mr. Downs, amazing. I thought we'd get through it without you proving me right. Wrong again. You proved me right. You need an attorney. I have no idea what you're talking about. You realize that, don't you? You wrote me a letter on this. It doesn't comport with what the record shows on your case. Do you understand that? You were ordered to get an addictions evaluation and follow-up treatment. Did you do that?
I never did.
Did you complete the victim impact panel?
No, I had not.
Were you employed when you got picked up?
No, was not.
Okay, court finds the defendant admitted violating the terms of his probation. Specifically, the court finds that the defendant missed appointments with his probation officer, that he failed to get an addictions evaluation as ordered by the court, that he failed to attend the victim impact panel as ordered by the court, and that he failed to maintain employment. Now, let me see. They're suggesting that your probation be revoked and you be ordered to serve your suspended sentence. What's your suggestion?
Can I please go to the work release center?
I don't know if you qualify.
I mean, I was going to see if I can get an evaluation. That's why I don't
Okay.
go that time.
That may be the first thing you've said that I actually agree with.
All right, thank you, Officer Christino.
Judge Cristofino, Judge, out on the street, you can call me, out on the street, you can call me Mike.
Okay.
Up here, Judge Cristofino, okay?
That's Christino. Sorry about that.
And for the record, Mr. Downs, you filed a motion to modify your sentence. I denied that. I mean, it didn't comport with anything under Indiana law, but more importantly, it seems to me you're raising some of these same issues that we need to get figured out what's going on. Moment.
Thank you.
Do you want to go to Elkhart County Community Corrections, or are you thinking Michiana Community Corrections? What's your thought?
MCC possibly would be better.
Let's get both.
That would be great. I think you would think.
MCC doesn't have work release. Michiana Community Corrections doesn't have work release. It's just home detention. Elkhart County, and you've
I
been,
could definitely do house detention.
well, you've been talking about work release, and that would be Elkhart County Community Corrections. That's why I asked. I think the other thing we need is a credit time memo.
Yeah.
And the real problem is going to be without an attorney. I don't know if you're going to see any of this stuff before you get back into court. Do you realize that? You can get on my case and perhaps look at some of it. But again, probably the reason why you need an attorney.
I'm just trying to get everything done as fast as I can, sir. So I can get back out here and help take care of my daughter.
It's another reason why you need an attorney. Okay, I'm going to reset this for mark this for Amy. Cause coming on for preliminary hearing on violation of probation. Defendant appears in person from the Elkhart County Correctional Facility as a self-represented litigant via WebEx, State of Indiana, in court by Deputy Prosecuting Attorney Lucas Shoemake. Court conducts preliminary hearing on alleged violation of probation. Defendant waives his right to counsel and proceeds as a self-represented litigant. Defendant waives his constitutional rights and his right to trial and admits violating the terms of his probation. Specifically, the court finds the defendant missed probation appointments, failed to get an addictions evaluation, failed to complete the victim impact panel, and failed to maintain employment. Court orders Elkhart County Community Corrections and Michiana Community Corrections to file eligibility reports with the court. Court orders Elkhart County Court Services to prepare and file a credit time memorandum with the court. Court resets this matter for further dispositional hearing July 3, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. It is so ordered. I'm going to see you back here July 3, and we'll see if we can't get your case done. Good luck, Mr. Downs.
Thank you.